Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add MEE6 bot to Discord server. So open a browser and type MEE6.xyz, and once you're here, click on add to Discord and select a server where you want to add the MEE6 bot. And click on continue, and you can customize these from here, and click on authorize and ensure that you are not a robot. And as you can see, MEE6 bot has been successfully added to my server. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.